The boy's little airplane can fly against gravity, and there's not even an engine in it. One day, he brings the plane to school. All his classmates start making fun of him. What a crappy plane. White? So ugly. They even snatch the plane right out of his hands. But nobody sees this coming. The plane starts moving on its own and zooms right back to the boy, and it gets crazier. The plane actually seems to understand what the boy says. He gives it a little push, and boom, the plane shoots straight towards a bucket. The boy's over the moon. When the nanny isn't looking, he drags a ladder over, hoists the plane up, and climbs onto the roof. He's dead set on having the plane take him to the sky to find his dad. Just then, his mom gets home from work. When she sees this, she freaks out. She sprints up to the roof and grabs the boy in a tight hug.